In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the solution for the equation that has a variable on both sides of the equal sign. So if this is my equation, negative 2 plus 2x equals 3 minus 3x, I see that I have an x on the left and I have an x on the right. So here is my scale. It is balanced right now, and this shows our equation. We have two negatives right here. We have the two x's right here on the left side, so negative 2 plus 2x. Then we have positive 3, which is right here, and we have minus 3x, which is right there. So we have our algebra tiles and we have our equation. Remember, I'm trying to find x, so I want to know, what does x equal? What does one green one equal? So I just want one green one. I see some red ones here, so I want to get rid of those red ones. So let me get rid of this negative 2 first. How do I get rid of it? Remember that one positive plus one negative equals 0. So using that idea, I'm going to add two positives here so that these negatives will turn into 0. So I'm going to add two positives, 1 and 2. So I added 2 on the left-hand side. However, when I add it on the left-hand side, my scale now is not balanced. So it is not balanced, so what am I going to do? Well, I can just add 2 also to the second side, to the right side. 1, 2. So now I add 2 here, add 2 here, then now it is back to being balanced. So I'll add 2 also on the right-hand side. Okay, now let's see what we can do to simplify this. 1 yellow, 1 red. Remember, 1 yellow, 1 red equals 0. So that goes away, so no more. 1 yellow, 1 red is gone. 1 yellow, 1 red is gone. Okay, so I have 2x now left here. So negative 2 plus 2, that's just 0. So that's gone. So we have now 2x. And on the right-hand side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 3 plus 2 equals 5, and my minus 3x. Okay, I have my green ones here, but I also have red ones here, and I need to get rid of these red ones first before I look at the green. So let's get rid of the red ones. Remember, 1 red and 1 green also equals 0. Positive x and negative x will equal 0. So I'm going to put then 3 green ones on the right-hand side. 1, 2, 3. So I add 3x to the right-hand side. The green and the red, this is now unbalanced. It is not balanced because I only added it to the right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also add 3 to the left. 1, 2, and 3. So now I have 5, or now I added 3 on the left, and now it is back to being balanced. So I added 3x on this side. Okay, all right, now what do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still have 5. What happens to these green and red ones? Well, remember, 1 green and 1 red equals 0, just like 1 yellow and 1 red equals 0. So 1 green, 1 red equals 0, x minus x equals 0, x minus x equals 0. So now I just have 5. So the minus 3x plus 3x is gone. It just equals 0, so I'm going to take it away. So now I have 5x equals 5. How much is 1 going to be worth? Well, let's see. I have, if I split it or divide it into 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, let's do it this way. Here we go. Sorry, it's a little messy. Okay, so I divided it into 5 groups. There we go. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I divided it into 5 groups. So divide by, oops. So divide 5, divide 5. So now what does 1x equal? 1 green one equals 1 yellow one. So that is just positive 1. I know x equals 1.